Welcome to English Listening Practice, day number 3. Hello and welcome to day number 3 of our English Listening Practice series. Today's lesson is a simple and natural English conversation for beginners and intermediate learners. You will hear two friends talking about moving to a new city, meeting new people, and starting a new life. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and enjoy the conversation. Let's begin.
Hey Alex, how was your first week in the new city?
Hi, Emma. Honestly, it was exciting, but also a little difficult.
Really? Why was it difficult?
Well, because everything is new for me. The streets, the people, even the buses are different.
Yeah, I understand. Moving to a new place can feel stressful at first.
Exactly. Actually, on my first day, I got lost while looking for my apartment.
Oh no. Seriously? What happened?
I was using a map on my phone, but suddenly my battery died.
That sounds terrible.
It was. I was standing there thinking, what should I do now?
So, how did you find the apartment?
Luckily, a kind woman stopped and helped me.
That was really nice of her.
Yeah. People here seem very friendly, and that made me feel better.
That's good to hear. So, what do you like most about the city so far?
I really like the parks here. They're peaceful and beautiful.
Have you visited the big park downtown yet?
Not yet, but I'm planning to go this weekend.
You should. It's an amazing place to relax, especially in the evening.
Really? Maybe I'll take some pictures there too.
Definitely. The lake looks beautiful when the sun starts going down.
Wow, that sounds perfect. I love quiet places like that.
So, what about food? Have you tried any local restaurants yet?
Yes. Yesterday, I went to a small Italian restaurant near my apartment.
Oh. Was the food good?
It was amazing. I ordered pizza and pasta. And honestly, I wanted to order more.
Now you're making me hungry.
Me too. I'm probably going back there again soon.
Have you met your neighbors yet?
Yeah, actually I met one neighbor named Daniel.
Nice. Is he friendly?
Very friendly. He even invited me for coffee yesterday.
That's awesome. It's always nice to know good neighbors.
I agree. It makes the city feel less lonely.
Do you miss your hometown sometimes?
Of course. I miss my family a lot. And my old friends too.
Yeah. That's completely normal.
My mother calls me every evening to check on me.
Moms always do that.
True. She always asks, are you eating enough food?
That sounds exactly like a mother.
Yep.
So, what are your plans for this weekend?
First, I need to clean my apartment.
Very responsible.
Yeah. After that, I want to explore more parts of the city.
Are you going alone?
Maybe not. Daniel said he could show me some interesting places around town.
That's perfect.
He also told me there's a street market every Saturday morning.
Oh, I love street markets.
Same here. I want to buy some fresh fruit. And maybe a few souvenirs.
You should also try the coffee shops there.
Good idea. I heard the coffee in this city is really excellent.
Trust me, it is.
By the way, do you know any good bookstores around here?
Yes. There's a quiet bookstore near the train station.
Really? I've been looking for a place to read and study peacefully.
Then you'll love it. There's even a small cafe inside the bookstore.
Wow. That sounds perfect for me.
So, overall, are you happy you moved here?
Yeah, I am. Sometimes it still feels strange, but I think I'm going to enjoy this new life.
I'm sure you will.
Thanks, Emma. Talking to you really makes me feel better.
Anytime, Alex. And hey, welcome to your new city.
Thank you. Honestly, I'm excited for this new chapter in my life.